Hey guys, and welcome to my newest video. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add a HTML code to your WordPress page. So that's a very interesting thing to do and a very easy thing to do. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the left hand side on the dashboard menu, and we're gonna hover over pages. You're gonna left click on all pages, and here we can see all the pages we've made so far. So we're gonna make a new page. So we're gonna left click on add new page for the sake of this video. And here, as you can see, we have the add title and the type or to choose a block. So we're gonna type title. So we're just gonna name it title. And here on the type or to choose a block, we're gonna left click on this plus right here. And here we're gonna type HTML and left click on the custom HTML icon. Left click on that. We're gonna get this right here. So you're gonna paste your code right here. I already have it copied, and we're just gonna left click outside of that. And here it is. Here it's our HTML code. We're gonna left click on preview, and as you can see we have the my first heading and my first paragraph. Go back to that. So now when we click on publish, so left click here, and we should get the page published right here. Left click on the view page, open link in new tab, and as you can see in the title we have the my first heading and my first paragraph. So that's it guys, that's how you add a HTML code to your website. Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial, and I see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.